Everyone, today will see market analysis how it behaved on 19th and 20th of June and plan for 21st. If you see, today is the Nifty weekly expiry. So coming to yesterday's analysis, if you see yesterday from past 3 days, market is opening a gap up or flat and sustaining in the same 15 minutes range. If you see here, if you see here, opened 2-3 candles and after giving a certain momentum stayed in the range bound, so which indicates some buying momentum is occurring. There is no selling, sellers are staying here. So same thing, after this sustainability, so market yesterday it opened on a gap up. So opened on a gap up. So after that it formed a it didn't form the follow-up candle, so we have waited it. So after waiting, we have seen this range has been formed. So if this range breaks by this candle, this is the range broken candle where there is a gap filling here. So this gap has been filled with this big pattern. But market from past 3 days is in a buying position only. So market after taking a support or gap filling, market is suddenly reversed. After reversing, it taken a range momentum. So here we need to be cleanly observe one thing here. So yesterday where I have done a small mistake. So by seeing this selling zone, there is crossover and this selling point also there. I went for a selling option. But if you see, this is the last after this pullback. So, for example, this is a fall. So after that, it taken a consolidation, and consolidation has broken with a high volume with a big bullish candle. So after that again it taken a consolidation and again it given a breakout with this green candle. So this is called a this candle is called a last buyer's candle. So until this breaks downside, we cannot go for a short if because this will act as a strong support and buyer's zone. So market tried to come down, but it didn't broken here, so which indicates some positive sign. So after that market and given a buy signal here. So after that I have seen one more thing here. So given a breakout candle here, so this is called a this is called a breakout candles. So after giving a breakout, what are the range it has been formed here? So exactly, let me put a price range here. So exactly, this is the previous swing. So after a breakout, so it will exactly reaches the same target. So after reaching the target again, so I bought here by mistake. So I thought it will take a reversal, but until it gives a cloud cover as a cloud cover or else something, we cannot go for a short. So after hitting, and also it has a day previous day consolidation high position here. See, this is where we got a selling from past yesterday also same place. After hitting a target of 1:1, again it given a straight fall around 100 points, 120 to 30 points. So same thing today also opened and on an average gap up only, but again yesterday where it taken a consolidation, same place it taken a consolidation more than a 1 hour. So after giving a consolidation, given a breakout, even if it is a breakout, but market is not in a good momentum, so it is a very dull momentum. So after that, this candle is called a breakout candle. So this is called a breakout candle. Like yesterday I have drawn a range how from downside here. Let me drag this to down. Okay, so example, so this is the range. So this range has been broken. So I have drawn if this range has broken here. So target will be 23,670 or something will be a target, or previous day high will be our target. But if you see, let me draw it again. Okay. Okay, so yesterday this is the consolidation pattern. Once it broken, it taken a range, right? So same thing. So if given a range breakout, this is called a breakout candle. It didn't broken, or else any candle did. So small red candle formed here, but next candle did not closed below this. So if it closes immediately, it will be a false breakout. Immediately given a higher high option. But today, if you see, it given a this is called a breakout candle, we got an immediate red candle. So this candle should not close, I mean below any candle. So it try to cover 3-4 candles it in the same range, but this is the candle given a false breakout alarm. So more than 30% 50% got engulfed. So I have entered very quick and exited here. It's a very quick profit here. So if you see same thing, so breakout has been failed here. So let us see tomorrow whether it will continue the selling position, or let us see how it behaves. So this is the important thing I have seen yesterday and today. So let us come to a bank nifty. So bank nifty, after a consolidation phase in a nifty entire day, last half an hour range, whatever it is there in a same range in a bank nifty. Let us come to daily analysis on a nifty. So it formed, sorry, in a bank nifty. Let me remove this. So length range, okay, it's okay. Okay, so it formed a pin bar. It formed like a, it's not exactly inside candle, whatever the wick it is formed yesterday's fall, so it covered today also. And also coming to a nifty on a longer time frame, again it formed the inside bar. So until it closes either downside or upside, we cannot go for any direction now, because indecisive format. So let us come to 15 minutes pattern. Okay, so tomorrow let it be the same range. Tomorrow, if it hits, then again we can go for a selling option. So if we get any chance that if any 15 minutes candle closes below below this moving averages, we can expect another short covering till sorry, downside till 23,450. So otherwise market may stay still in the same range, because inside candle this is a now it is forming a day to day, the inside candle length is becoming narrow and narrow. Then we can see a blast if it breaks any side. So let us come to Bank Nifty on the same pattern. So Bank Nifty also same case, 15 minutes pattern. So but Bank Nifty is forming a higher high instead of a inside candle pattern. So let us come to the CPR format in the same kind. Okay, so in a Nifty, see how beautifully it has taken a order block. See, after the fall, exactly here we can take a selling side option also, because of where exactly yesterday selling happens. So for the same place it has been rejected and taken a support as CPR as well as order block. So see here multiple times CPR acted as a support. So today also it acted as a support. If by chance tomorrow if it breaks, then we can see a fall blade. Mm. If it breaks above and closes any candle around 23,670, then only we'll go for a long side, which will maybe around 100 to 150 points. So let us come to downside. If you see in a bank nifty, it forming a higher highs, but still we have a clear all-time high 52,000. So max it will go to 52,500. After that we can see a good fall, because the market is in, it's forming in on a daily time frame, it is forming a very small candles on a higher high momentum. See here at least nifty given us some momentum, whereas in sorry, bank nifty given some momentum, whereas in nifty see very small candles, which is like a shrinking candles. I can expect some big candle either upside or downside to cover this shrinking candles. To cover downside means 23,180 or 150 will be our downside target, and upside will be around 200 points if it breaks this inside candle. Let us see. Thank you.